This is a short instruction video of how to remove the meters and shunt for recalibration. Doesn't take very long at all. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver or a battery driver, a 5.5mm spanner and a 19mm socket or spanner. Firstly, we'll remove the 6 screws. Gently lean the control panel forward so we can get to all the meters. And first thing to do is remove the IDC connectors. 2 8-way connectors and 1 10-way. And then with the 5.5mm spanner, we're going to release the adjuster PCBs. Remove those carefully from the pins below on the digital meter. And then we're going to remove the other M3 nuts from the digital meters themselves. And then with the 19mm socket, we're going to remove the shunt. There's 2 M12 brass nuts. Newer style, manufactured in the last 3 to 4 years, have push-on terminals, so remove those. Green to the right, yellow to the left. The older style has actual fixings on there, so you'll just need a Phillips screwdriver to take them out. Once that's done, we just need to pop the meters back together. That's a lot safer for transport. Just finger tight's absolutely fine. So now we have all the parts that need to be returned for recalibration. We have our amp meter, voltmeter, tachometer and adjuster boards, plus our handheld tacho unit and the shunt. So we'll pack the shunt separately, away from the meters. And then in goes our digital meters. So there we go, in less than 10 minutes, all stripped, packed, and ready to go.